Here's how to make the ultimate radish seaweed soup. This is a very traditional Japanese-styled broth that can be drank as a clean soup or as a soup base for noodles. The key ingredient to this soup is dried seaweed kelp sheets. This is what creates that clean yet subtle umami taste that is delicious. For the soup, I used 1 large sheet of dried kelp, 1 whole white radish, 5 dried shiitake mushrooms, 1 fresh whole onion, fresh green onions, and 2.5 liters of water. In a large pot, add in the dried kelp. Break it up if it's too big, which it usually is. I'll quarter my onions so that it still holds together in the soup. And then add my soup water and bring that to a boil on high heat. Add in the large pieces of green onions so that you can also fish them out later easily. Don't forget to peel the radish slightly deeper because the skin is quite thick. I will also slice my radish thinner so that it cooks quicker. Add this to your soup for that unique, clean taste that the white radish brings to any soup. Then you can add in the mushrooms either pre-soaked or as they are. I'll take out the mushrooms later once they have fully softened and slice them so that they're ready to serve as part of the meal. Once it boils, turn the heat down so that it's a gentle simmer, and I'll let that bubble for about 30 minutes. For tonight's dinner, I boiled some rice cakes and served it with soup, adding my favorite toppings to make it a complete, simple, and delicious meal. This is a sure win with the whole family. Happy soup making, and see you next time.